Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss and revise unit number 2, which will be included in your upcoming exam. So if you have any kind of question or anything left about this, you can ask today. I will show you the work and I will explain to you if you have any doubt or any problems in this unit. Hello, Mazen. How are you? Okay, open your books. We are going to discuss about our exam. Okay, if you have anything which is not covered or anything left, I will be telling you today. Okay, so with me is Abdullah Salim.
No, with me is Abdullah Saleh.
Okay.
Abdullah Saleh.
Okay, Abdullah. Okay, then we have Adam, Mazen, then Maaz Salman. Okay. Maaz Salman. Then Muhammad Al-Ghamidi.
أنا هنا محمد الغامدي.
Okay. مؤيد. طيب يا محمد, طيب يا حبيبي. Then we have Mustafa Aldibo. Mustafa. Okay. Then Rakan.
أستاذ من هنا يبدأ اختبار ولا لا؟
أيوة, هذا كله أوراق في اختبار. From page number, actually this is the whole unit number 2. Starts from page number 16 and ends on page number 35. From 18 to 35 it will be included. يعني هذا يجي في الاختبار. عبدالله, اسمك عبدالله سالم أو خالد سالم؟
Yes, Mister.
أنت خالد, ها؟ خالد هزرمي. أوكي.
أيوة. أستاذ 35 نون 35.
Yes, 16 إلين the last page is, let me see again, 35. 35. 16 إلين 35. Okay, here we have word bank. Here you have to count the objects where you can see, and these are, this page you have done, right? من ما في كتبت هذا الصفحة من باقي أي أحد? Anyone?
Me.
Mazen, you didn't finish this?
I finished it.
Okay, I asked if anyone left.
I finished it.
Okay, Mustafa, great.
I finished it, محمد الغامدي. يا أستاذ.
Yes.
أنا خلصت محمد الغامدي كتبتها من أول من أمس.
طيب يا حبيبي. Adam, have you finished this?
Yes.
Okay, next page is page number 21. Please finish this as well. Here you have which is hardest, chair, which is shiniest, glass, and which is softest cloth. If you write here diamond or something else, okay, but you can write here glass, chair, and cloth as well. Finish this. Okay, Adam, Khalid, Mazen, Maaz, have you finished?
Yes, I'm finished. I am finished.
Okay, great.
But I didn't finish. It's... Can you close the mic for me? I can't because I'm seeing what page.
Have you finished?
No,
Okay,
I
good.
didn't finish.
Okay, open your book and finish this quickly.
Okay.
Finish it quickly, Mazen. If you don't understand, just tell me, okay?
Okay. But I'm finding the pencil.
Pencil, okay. Take your pencil, na? You have maybe 5 periods finished, 5 classes, so you didn't have pencil?
I put it in silver and I just know where
Okay,
it is.
okay, take it quickly. Muhammad Al-Ghamdi, read this question. Read this question, please.
I do it now. Now I found it.
Okay, great. Finish quickly, huh?
Okay, but what do I write?
Did you finish this? This page 21?
21.
Yeah. Page 21. Have you finished?
Yes.
أي أحد ما في خلصت كلمني الحين. If you didn't
Yes.
finish, please tell me. Okay.
I
Next page, which is page 23. من باقي? Here we have, what did you find out? طيب. Fill in the gaps. We used different materials to warm up the cotton wool, and we kept everything else the same. We found that the plastic bag was the most waterproof material. Page 23. So we are revising for exam, okay? Upcoming exam, which is next week. Which is in next week, we will revise today. About fabrics. Moyed, have you finished? Have you finished this page, Moyed? Page 21,
No.
23?
23.
Yeah.
Where's her 23? Where's my 24?
Okay, this is 25 now. You have to check
25.
which is
Oh
made
yeah,
of
25.
cloth.
I got to it.
Okay, 23 as well. 23 finished?
Nope.
This is 23, Mayed. Please finish this quickly. Okay, then you have page
Okay.
number 26. Here you have some some materials are hard and some are soft. They can be hard and can be shiny, can be dull, can be soft. But here in this page, you can see a bracelet which is shiny and hard. So we draw a circle around hard and draw a circle around shiny. Okay, what are metals like? Rakan, are you there? Rakan, موجود? Okay, with me, 9 students, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amir Muaz is not there. Amir Mansoor, Jassar, Ziad, Abdulillah, Abdulaziz Fahad, Faris, Faiz, Muhammad Usman, Hattan, Turki Sultan, Uday, Muhtiz, Muaz Yasir, and Ziad. There are others. Okay. Muaz Salman, open your mic and read this.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read this.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Metals. Walaikum salam.
Are
Usually,
use hard and
shiny. Shiny, not shiny.
shiny now
Shaped. Shaped, Muaz. Okay, Rakan, are you there? Adam, open your mic.
Yes.
Yes, read. Second line. Metals can be
Metals can be
shaped.
shaped.
Shape yani shakal, shape. This is the shape of bracelet. Here you can see other shape. To make
Different
okay, to make different
object.
okay. Ishman, objects. What do you mean by objects?
Assalamu alaikum, Ustaz Muhammad
Alaikum
Usman.
salam. What do you mean by objects? Everything around us is an object. Okay. Kullu shay hada objects. Okay. Then metals. Khalid Hazrami, open your mic. Maaz Yasser, open your mic.
Yes.
Yes, read from here.
Metal is heated
Heated
heated up until it is soft. It can be
hammered
hammered to make
shapes.
shapes.
Shapes yani shakal. Look, these are same but different shapes. The material is same but different shapes because they hammered it to make this part, they hammered it to make hanger, they hammered it to make the ring. So that's why they are saying we can change the shape by hammering it. Okay, or stretch to make wires. This is also stretched. This is not stretched as this. Thank you, Maaz Yasir. Okay, Abdulaziz Al Wagdani.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this page is done. Abdulaziz, read this from here.
One.
ماذا؟
Metal
Metal
is
is
not hard.
not
Hard.
It is
It is liquid
it is liquid
like water.
like water.
It is called
It is called
mercury.
mercury.
And you can see this in the thermometer. Okay. Thank you, Abdulaziz. After Abdulaziz, Abdullah Aldivo. Mustafa Aldivo, open your mic. Mustafa Aldivo. Yes, Muhammad Al Ghamdi. Yes.
I raise
Open.
my hand.
Okay. Can you read from here properties of matter? Wait,
Okay,
Mustafa.
I'll read the text that.
Bas properties of matter. Mafi tai shaitani. Only properties.
Okay, I'll read it.
Okay, quickly.
Quickly. طيب.
Yeah.
طيب.
Mustafa Aldivo, come. Open your mic. Muhammad Raghamdi, inta jahiz kar leंगे. Yes, Mustafa. Read properties of matter. Here you have some materials, right? So read some properties of materials.
Hard.
Okay, very nice.
Soft.
Soft,
Bendy.
bendy, yes. And
Waterproof.
waterproof. Waterproof. Yani moya mafi dakhal jo. That is called waterproof. Okay, next page. Which is about some objects. Yes, Muhammad Al Ghamdi. Here you can see on this page some materials like fabric, glass, wood, clay pottery, plastic, and stone. These are all what? They are metal or non-metal?
ما 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 تكلمت.
These
No.
these objects are, these materials are metals or non-metals? Just tell me. Anyone? أي أحد. Metals or non-metals? These.
No,
Yes, salam.
metals.
Muaz Yasir. Non-metal. They are not metals. Here you can see objects, fabric, glass, stone, plastic, wood, clay, pottery. These are not metals. They are called non-metals. Here on this page, you can see copper, steel, aluminium, gold, and silver. These are metals. Yes, these are metals. Materials are, these are also materials. But metals are these. Material is everything. Everything around us is a material.
Okay.
But we have metals and non-metals as well. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, but most of the time non-metals are not good conductors. Okay, so this is you have done this. Okay, any one page is left, just tell me if you did not finish any page. Okay, just send me the number and I will provide you the page. Okay, so here you can see right to the names of two materials, sorry, metals. Two metals, as I told you here, these are all metals, and here these are all non-metals. So you can write anyone. Here you can write copper and iron, steel and gold, whatever. Okay. Then write the names of two non-metals. Here is written plastic and here is written wood, but we have many like fabric, glass, wood, clay, pottery, stone, plastic. You can write anything. Okay. This is up to you because question is 2 points only, two names. So you can write anything. Write the name of two non-metals. Non-metals, as I told you, plastic, wood, clay, these are all non-metals. So they wrote wood and plastic. Plastic and wood, these are non-metals, and they wrote it here. Okay. Then here we have rubber, the uses of rubber, different uses, rubber balls, rubber bands, rubber gloves, rubber boots. So there are a lot of uses of rubber. Here you can see rubber tires, metal body or frame, and then handle is made up of plastic. This one handle, MSIC, because they want you to be safe, not a hard handle to hurt you. Yes. MashaAllah. انت موجود من اول ولا لهين؟ من ما في خلصت هذا الصفحة؟ Who did not finish this page? If you did not finish, just tell me. Today we have revision for exam. So I want you to complete your unit number 2. If anything left,
It's
you can ask.
quiet. I didn't finish this page. I didn't finish that page. I didn't finish it.
You didn't finish this?
It's 34, right?
Yes, it is 34.
Mister, page 1, 3.
34. So here on this page, we have
Mister, page 33.
Okay. Page 33. This one is page 33. You did not finish? माफी खलास? सभी screenshot या हबीबी. Take a screenshot to write it.
Okay, finish.
I didn't finish that one. I didn't finish
You can
that
take
one.
screenshot, Mayed, I told you. Just take a screenshot and then after that you can complete, no problem, and send it to me before Isha.
But I took a picture.
Okay. So on this page we have an image of a cycle which is made up of different materials like plastic, rubber, wood, sorry, metal. So that's why we showed this one. So second last page 34. Here you can see some toys and their used material. Material used in teddy is soft and in plastic car is hard. in this box is dull, yani maafi noor, and the opposite is diamond, which gives us light or which gives us reflection. If we put it in the way of light, it will give, it will, what we call it, in a cast, okay, in a cast. Okay, reflection of light which is in a cast. Okay, next. Shiny and dull is done. Okay. If there is rain, we will wear waterproof jacket or raincoat. That is better. Last page where we have page 33, 35, where we have to identify rubber and fabric and some metals and non-metals as well. Yes, Muhammad Al Ghandhi, you have question? Yes? ما اسمه زين يا حبيبي. Okay, boys, finish this and then be ready for exam next week. If you have any question, you can ask. Do you have any question? Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye, Mars. Goodbye, Mayur. Thank you.